Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, we're gonna fix this error, this 0x80190001 when logging into your Microsoft account. The first thing we're gonna do right now is turn off your antivirus. So Windows PC has their Windows antivirus. To do this one, type in Windows Security. This one right here, looking for virus and threat protection. Click on that one right here. Click on under virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. In here, you're going to see a lot of options. I only have one right now, real-time protection. And this one right here are all turned off. So make sure that this is going to be turned off as well. Everything here, and you'll be good to go. That's step 1. Step 2 is type in here internet settings or internet options. This one right here, go to advanced. We're looking for very specific things here. I think this one right here, TLS1 up to TLS 1.3 experimental. Make sure you check that. Everything from TLS 1.0 up to TLS 1.3 experimental, make sure everything is ticked or checked. Click on apply, click on OK, and you'll be good to go. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.